Kylie Jenner has certainly made a name for herself in the celebrity world. With a career in social media, makeup, reality TV, and as an influencer, it is rare for anyone not immediately to recognize her brand. Today, we're talking about the inside of Kylie Jenner's incredible mansion home. Before we begin, please leave a like and subscribe to see more content like this in the future. Kylie Jenner's mansion home is valued at a whopping $36.5 million, practically pocket change for the young billionaire. She moved into the mansion during the COVID-19 pandemic with her daughter, Stormi. Located in Holmby Hills, Los Angeles, the mansion boasts such attributes as a pool, gym, and a tennis court, great for staying at home and still being able to entertain yourself. The mansion itself is massive, boasting 7 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms. According to People, the house even has 20 parking spaces for all of Jenner's luxury cars. Plenty of room for some luxury celebrity parties for sure. In the basement of the mansion, Jenner has posted her amazing bar setup on her Instagram page. The setup has a ping pong table, luxury gray sofas, and a fully stocked bar next to an in-home movie theater. The theater seats are all reclining armchairs and have their own blankets for maximum comfort watching movies. The decor is gray and silver and has multiple flower arrangements as seen on her Instagram posts. A nice, relaxing setting to watch movies with the entire family. Upstairs, her spacious entryway is around 2 stories tall. Kylie Jenner showcased the massive space with her Christmas Instagram post, showcasing her massive, near 2 stories tall Christmas tree. We can only imagine that Jenner decorates that mansion with such luxury items for the holidays. Fans of hers could see the incredible, sleek decor of her mansion's entranceway in the post, showing off the fashionable pendant lights and glass rail staircase. Outside, the mansion holds an incredible sports and relaxation array for Jenner and her family. Her expensive pool runs down the middle of the house with cabana seating built into the back and outdoor dining seats by the poolside. The pool cabanas have plush sofas, making for a comfortable poolside experience. Imagine eating a nice meal with friends at the outdoor tables after having a wonderful pool party. The pool itself has a wall splitting it down the middle, but swimming is not the only outdoor activity at Kylie's mansion. She also shows off her sports courts on the grounds. It seems like she really enjoys tennis. There is also a nice gym area for Kylie to be able to work out. A personal gym is perfect for this large estate and shows off Kylie's love for fitness. And her daughter Stormi has quite the outdoor playground. On the grounds, she has a playhouse with slides, swings, and a climbing wall, and a large selection of toys. The playground is fenced in, with its own porch for the toddler. Moving back inside, the kitchen is the next point of focus in this luxury home. Jenner's kitchen contains white marble countertops, contrasting her black kitchen cupboards. She also boasts a double-range cooker and in posts on her Instagram shows off more images of her kitchen while she bakes with her daughter Stormi.
I need you to put a little bit of flour on here. Put a little flour, get a handful and put it on. Good job. Ooh, girl, you might be a baker. You are a chef. Chef Stormi, hold it. Go like this. Put it on here. Oh, what? Look, you made a cookie.
Her kitchen also carries a tasteful gray backsplash to tie together the cupboards and countertops. While this fully stocked kitchen is the main attraction, there are other cooking facilities inside the house. These areas are also decorated with minimalist art and gray color palettes. It seems like Jenner is quite talented with interior design. And the kitchen is not the only room with a gray and white color palette. One of the 7 bedrooms boasts a gray and silver color scheme with velvet chairs, curtains, and floor-to-ceiling windows. Her living room continues with the silver and gray color palette with large silver couches, a minimalistic gray desk, white and silver toned walls, and a door leading out to the pool area. The house also contains a second bar area near the living room with couches and a mounted TV for being able to watch television with guests. Keeping up with the Kardashians, anyone? It makes sense that a $36.5 million household would make them luxury bath suites with 14 bathrooms. One of the bathrooms has a freestanding tub and a walk-in shower. The double sink is more than large enough to hold all of Kylie's skincare products. What a luxury spa the bathroom is. No expense was spared for Jenner and her daughter. Speaking of Stormi, the toddler also has her own playroom in the house. The room is stocked with fun toys and activities, all placed on decorative shelves. Her foam flooring contrasts with the wood of both the walls and the floor of the room. The decor seems to consider both safety and style. Leave it to Kylie to find a stylish way for her daughter to have fun at home. This mansion truly is the height of luxury. It's no wonder that reporters say it could easily be mistaken for a high-end resort. Kylie Jenner was born on August 10, 1997. She is the youngest daughter of Caitlyn Jenner and Kris Jenner. She has starred alongside her half-sisters, the Kardashian sisters, in Keeping Up with the Kardashians since 2007. This was only the beginning of her extensive career. She starred in promotions for other reality television shows starting in 2012, such as spin-off series Kourtney and Kim Take Miami and hosting the 2012 premiere of The Vow. She has also hosted the 2014 Much Music Video Awards with her sisters, and the sisters also made cameos in the music videos Recognize by Party Next Door. This was only the beginning of Kylie's time in the limelight and the beginning of her lucrative business career. In 2015, she started her famous makeup line, Kylie Cosmetics. She revealed to the public that she received lip filler surgery, giving her quite a bit of attention from the media. She released her first lipstick line, the ever-famous Kylie Lip Kit, originally producing only 15,000 kits. As the makeup's demand and fame grew, she started producing up to 500,000 makeup kits. She created multiple promotional videos for the makeup line, with cameos from models like Karen Jinsu and Mara Tegan. In 2017, she was the youngest person on the Forbes Celebrity 100 list, calculating the highest paid celebrities each year at only 19 years old. She landed the number 59 spot on the list as she made around $41 million that year. In that same year, Kylie Jenner premiered her own reality television show, Life of Kylie. While she starred in the show Keeping Up with the Kardashians with her half-sisters, this show was solely focused on Kylie Jenner's fabulous life.
All right, well, what I do know, ladies, is people sneak things by you, Kylie, and take advantage, and I'm just here to tell you that you need to start creating your own boundaries. Tokyo's boyfriend is at work every day. It's not bring your boyfriend to work day. It starts like that, and then it just becomes a problem.
She launched a cosmetic collaboration line with her mother in 2018 called Kris Cosmetics. She also created an app for her makeup line called the Kylie Cosmetic mobile app. She has since expanded from solely lip makeup, moving to fragrances and skincare in 2019. Her brand was known worldwide and is still one of the most recognizable makeup and skincare brands around. Her daughter Stormi was born in February 2018. Jenner has endorsements from many brands such as Nicole by OPI, Steve Madden, and Calvin Klein. So, what do you think? Would you like to live in a house like this? Which is your favorite part of the house? Let us know down in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell for more content like this. We'll see you next time.